In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a unique list from many columns using the flatten function in Google Sheets. First, let's get started by opening your Google Sheets document. If you haven't already, go ahead and pull up a sheet where you have some data spread across different columns. This method is especially helpful if you want to consolidate multiple columns into a single, unique list without duplicates. Once you've got your sheet open, the next step is to select a blank cell where you'd like the unique list to begin. It's a good idea to choose a cell that's not currently in use to keep your data organized and avoid overwriting any existing information. After selecting your cell, you'll want to start typing out your formula. Begin by typing an equal sign to indicate that you're entering a formula. The first function we'll use is unique. After the equal sign, start typing unique, and you'll see Google Sheets start to offer you suggestions. Click on the unique function from this list. Be cautious here. We won't select any rows just yet. This is an important step because selecting rows prematurely could lead to errors or unexpected results. Now, let's proceed by incorporating the flatten function to transform our multiple columns into a single linear list. Right after you've opened the unique function, continue typing to add the flatten function. Start with flatten right after the open parenthesis of unique, and again, choose the flatten function from the list that Google Sheets suggests. With flatten now in place, it's time to select your range of data. Click and drag to highlight the columns that you want to include in this unique list. This range will be all the data that you want to consolidate and sort without duplicates. Selecting the correct range is crucial, so double check to make sure it encompasses all the columns you need. Finally, to wrap up the formula, you need to close both the flatten and unique functions by typing 2 closing parentheses at the end of your data range. This will complete the formula, allowing Google Sheets to do its magic. Hit enter and you should see a neatly organized unique list generated from the columns you selected. This process streamlines the organization of your data, and the combination of unique and flatten functions is a powerful way to keep everything neat and efficient. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in mastering your Google Sheets tasks. Be sure to explore more functions to enhance your productivity even further.